Hey kids, here we go again. We're going to start a brand new thing, and I'm going to meet with you one-on-one if you have something you want to meet about. It's really that simple. So we're going to do it on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and we can meet for about 15 minutes. So it's really, really simple. You will see this sheet, okay? And then all you have to do is click your name. And if you click right there, and I'll just call myself Mr. Rogers. Okay. And that's all you need to do. And then what I will do is I will make a meeting link for us to meet with on Google Meet. Okay. And then I will put the link right here. So what you know is as soon as it turns blue, then that's the link you click on to come see me at about noon on Tuesday the 21st. So just to show you what happens, you click on that, and then it always gives you the shot at going there. So it won't take you right away. You slide down, you click on that, it will open a new window. And this happens to be a meeting that I had this morning with Miss Jaramillo, but you can see it around, and my computer's really slow because too many tabs open. But you're probably used to seeing this stuff. Camera is starting. Too many tabs. Well, anyway, you will get this screen, and eventually right over here, oh, there we go. Eventually right over here, it will ask you if you want to join. And then, of course, all you have to click is join. And I'll go to a room where nobody is. As I said, this was a meeting that I was going to have earlier, well, that I had earlier with Miss Jaramillo, and eventually it's going to pop up. And you will be in the meeting room, and I will be in the meeting room, and we will have 15 minutes to talk about whatever you want to talk about. So that's it. Enjoy, and I can't wait to see you.